welcome back to my channel, OW My name is Ash, and in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing my new keyboard. So I did just recently get a brand new PC. This is not the PC putting together, reviewing, testing it out, customizing video. This is not that. I will be filming that today and a couple of other videos, so if I look like this in a couple of my videos, I swear I'm not wearing it the same outfit for like 3 months. It's just all filmed on the same day. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy, shall we? Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this bad girl up. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. First things first, a good keyboard is crucial in harnessing the competitive edge. It's what drove us to create the world's first mechanical gaming keyboard, followed by our very own Razer mechanical switches designed for gaming. Whether it's speed or precision, you can find one suited for your needs. That's so cool. And then of course, we got the information booklet and stuff. And the stickers, again, this is not the quartz color, but at least it does have a nice rainbow shine. Yeah, all right, let's free her. I don't know if my nails will allow me to do this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know I'll be keeping this. And here's the wrist thingy. Ooh, but it is pretty. I think, yeah, this goes like right here, I think. Like for your wrist. But yeah, are you guys ready? Okay, so here's like the board. It is so pretty, and I am a little nervous about playing with like super like clanky keyboards because of my nails, but you know what, I'm just gonna have to get used to it because listen to that. I love it. I don't know what this is for, but I'm so excited to plug this in. Oh my goodness. Look at it! Look at that color. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to like finish setting up my new PC and just like, oh my gosh.